I proposed her. It wasn't easy. It took me a year, and I knew she liked me, but it was just a matter of actually officially saying a yes.
Once upon a time I saw you walk along among me, what a lovely girl. I followed you around the world. Oh, I love you, don't you see? You stole my heart in 1, 2, 3. I love you, yes it's true. You stole my heart and I'm gonna
And after a year, and there I get a message, says yes, 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 yes. That's how it happened.
harvest moon. A dream and sleep, I'm taking flight. An aeroplane across the